Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Today we are taking a look at a protein treatment for your hair that's going to give your hair strength. If you are having issues with breakages, excess breakages, this treatment is for you. It's going to give you strength. It's going to strengthen your hair and give you the lasting natural elasticity that you want. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos like this. I do hair growth videos. So now let's get straight to the video. I start with honey. This is pure honey, and then I'll also be adding aloe vera gel, avocado, that is the main ingredient, and then 1 egg. Depending on the thickness, then you can add oil to it, olive oil to it. So why am I adding avocado to the treatment? Avocado is a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin back into your diet may help to grow your hair healthy. You can also add it to your hair itself so that it can strengthen your hair follicles. Avocado has been used in the past years because it strengthens the cuticles of the cells, because it also contains potassium and magnesium, which can help your hair look smooth and shiny and prevent it from breaking. I follow up with adding 1 egg to it. When you apply egg to your hair, it strengthens the hair follicles with much needed vitamins and minerals. I then add like 3 tablespoons of honey. We all know honey is a humectant. It's able to give a lot of moisture to your hair. So adding honey to the avocado treatment goes a long way in moisturizing your hair. My final but not least ingredient is aloe vera gel. Like I always say, aloe vera is a cash crop. Aloe vera really strengthens the hair because it contains a lot of antioxidants and nutrients that are able to strengthen the hair. When I'm done, I transfer it into a blender and blend it into a very smooth paste. If you are not able to get a smooth paste, please try and sieve it because you don't want the lumps getting stuck in your hair. I also added olive oil, but then I lost that footage. But then I added about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in order to make the consistency a bit lighter for me. So this is my avocado hair mask I'll be applying on my hair. Guys, this is my hair is freshly washed, and you can tell that it's very bouncy. Like you really can tell how healthy my hair is. The last time I washed my hair, I used clay mask, and it was also a very good one, which I'll be putting a video here soon. And then I'm doing the treatments today. So freshly washed hair before I deep condition with avocado. This is my avocado. It's too much. Depending on the quantity of your hair, then you take the enough avocado. I was supposed to have used half avocado, but then when I use half, I don't know what I'll do with the other half because I don't consume avocado. I don't really like eating it, so I just decided to just mash everything and put it in my hair. I can put the remaining avocado in the freezer and use it another time. So this is my hair. I try to mist it with water a bit before applying the avocado so that my hair is able to absorb the avocado faster than it's normally would if there was no water in it. If you are doing this treatment on permed hair, you don't really need to spray water on it because permed hair doesn't really get as dried as natural hair. Natural hair really need that moisture before it can take product. Guys, when you started watching the video, there was a video of my first avocado treatment, hair treatment. I also insert it, and you see how my hair has really grown in the past 10 months because this is the second time I'm using avocado on my hair, and I could tell a big difference. I've always been wanting to use avocado, but then I either don't get the time, or it's either when it's in season I forget about it, and when it's not in season then I remember. And you know, when it's not in season it's a bit more expensive, so that's how come today I got it when it's in season. I focus on the strands and the hair as well. Like you don't need to just focus on the hair follicles. You also need to focus on the hair strands as well, and make sure that enough is really inside the hair. Like don't be stingy with it. You have to be very generous with it. You really have to be generous if you want improvement. If you really want good results, you really have to be generous with it. You can either use avocado as oil, like avocado oil, for your hair growth, which is also very good. There can be either cold pressed avocado oil, or you have to add a carrier oil in order to get avocado oil. Avocado is really good for the hair. Why either you consume it or you apply it directly on your hair. For me, I'd rather apply it on my hair than consume. I've always been like that. So guys, yes, this is how I apply the avocado on my hair, and I make sure I focus on every aspect on the hair. In the video, you could tell that some parts didn't receive the avocado, but after I cut some parts, I stopped recording and then focused on the parts that didn't receive enough avocado. I made sure I smeared enough on it because I had enough avocado, so I really didn't mind wasting or overusing it. So guys, yes, my hair really felt very good after using this treatment. My hair felt so good. Like, I really hadn't felt like that in a long while. I go ahead and wear my shower cap, and then I follow up with a steamer cap. You can just wear a shower cap for about an hour so that it's able to trap enough heat, but I really didn't have time on my side, so I had to wear a steamer cap for about 15 minutes and then take off the shower cap as well. So you can use either methods that is convenient for you, that's more convenient for you. For me, wearing a steamer cap is the best for me because it quickens the process. If you have a long time, like you have the whole day in your hands, you can just wear a shower cap and then do your chores and do other stuff. By the time you are done, your avocado would have been absorbed by your scalp. Guys, you could tell how my hair felt really soft. Like, I really couldn't get over my hair. Like, I really couldn't get over my hair. I was just bouncing it, enjoying how I've received so much length over the past few months, and I really was appreciative of the fact that I've introduced just plants into my hair. There's no chemical. Like, the products, I know the products I put in my hair, and I've been able to take care of my hair for a whole year, and I'm going to my second year, so I really felt proud of myself. So guys, yes, this is my hair, and you could tell I really didn't even stay under the hooded dryer for long because I had to go to bed. It was late and I had to go to bed. But then if it was in the day and I had enough time, I would have stayed under for about 30 minutes so that my scalp will be able to absorb the nutrients of the avocado. So yes, try and give your head a good massage because you can't put all these nutrients in your hair and don't massage your hair. I jumped into the shower and then shampooed out the avocado, washed it out first, and then added a mild shampoo, not a lot, just a mild shampoo, just to take out if any smell or any other stuff in the hair. So guys, this is me when I returned from the shower, and you could tell, my goodness, the video even didn't do justice to how my hair felt. My hair really felt good. I could tell how my curls had come out. The hair felt so soft. Like, I don't think I've seen my hair like this in a while before. I don't think I've seen my hair like this. It felt really soft and it really became very bouncy. Like, I was like, is this really my hair? I enjoyed every bit of this process. Till next time, bye.